They won't fire everyone at once. They'll replace you quietly. Every year, the machines get cheaper. Every year, humans become more expensive. The future office won't have conversations. No coffee breaks. No emotions, no salaries. Just AI systems running 24 hours a day. Lawyers replaced by algorithms. Designers replaced by prompts. Analysts replaced by prediction engines. The scary part? Most people still think this is decades away. But it already started. The biggest companies in the world are no longer hiring humans first. They're buying intelligence first. This was never only about technology, it's about control. The people who own AI infrastructure will control information, money, labor, even human relevance. In the future, wealth won't belong to the hardest workers. It will belong to the owners of automated systems. The new rich won't work harder. They'll own the machines that work for them. Most people are preparing for the old economy. But the old economy is already dying. The future belongs to people who adapt before society forces them to. Because one day, being human alone may no longer be enough. AI is taking over the system. Follow Wealth Protocol for more transmissions.